Here's a table that presents the different ways in which the immune system prevents activation of and damage caused by autoreactive lymphocytes. You will also see in this table specific mechanisms and where such tolerance predominantly occurs. Now, for each of these checkpoints, or there's a balance between preventing autoimmunity and not impairing immunity too greatly. And in combination, all the checkpoints provide an effective overall defense against autoimmune disease. Well, it's relatively easy to find isolated breakdowns of one or even more layers of protection, even in healthy individuals. Thus, for example, activation of autoreactive lymphocytes occurs, well, in a healthy individual. Does that necessarily mean an autoimmune disease? Well, actually, a low level of autoreactivity is physiologic and crucial to normal immune function. Why is that? Because the autoantigens help to form the repertoire of mature lymphocytes and the survival of naive T cells and B cells in the periphery requires continuous exposure to autoantigens. On the other hand, autoimmune disease develops only if enough safeguards are overcome to lead to sustained reaction to self. That includes the generation of effector cells and molecules that destroy tissues. Although the mechanisms by which this occurs are incompletely understood, autoimmunity is thought to result from a combination of genetics, susceptibility, breakdown in natural tolerance mechanisms, and environmental triggers such as infections.